Okay, this video is to help you actually read an analog input device because they give you ranges of values, right? This little table right here was talking about how there's analog sensors and digital sensors. The pressure sensor, the flex sensor, and the photocell sensor are all analog sensors, so they give you a range of values. Okay, like the pressure sensor is however hard you're pushing on the button. Makes a difference for what the reading is. Okay, digital is just on or off. And we'll talk about that in a different video. But this is the pressure sensor, and I'm going to help you build some code so that you can read the pressure sensor. So this is the code you're going to need. You're going to need to flip over to the coding spot, and you need to get, let me trash it on start over. Okay, so you'll need to get a forever block out, like that. All I'm doing is building this code right here. So you get the forever, you get the set value to, you go into variables, set, and it says item to, but we're going to rename that to value. Okay, so set value to, and then come down here to pins, and this is kind of confusing because it looks like the same color as the variables, but variables and pins is down here. Okay, so set value to read analog pin 0, and then show number value. So we need to go back and find in the blue drawer, basic. It says show number, and then we're gonna take back in the variables and put the value in there. Okay, this is gonna make it so that it reads what the pin is. Okay, so if you press on the pin, you can change the value of it on your emulator. You could also download this code to your microbit and use the alligator clips. And this is what you're going to end up doing, is use the alligator clips to hook up the pressure sensor to your microbit. So you'll go to port 0, hook that up, hook this other side up to a pressure sensor, and then take the other one and go back into the ground. Like that. So your microbit's going to end up looking like this. And then on the other side of these, you're going to hook up your pressure sensor. Okay, and it'll give you a reading. So you can see on here, I changed it to 356. So it keeps scrolling 3, 5, 6, because that's how much pressure is on there. So that's how you build that code.